Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing and selecting your clip, then open Filmora's color panel. Don't linger in preferences. Enable scopes, waveform for exposure and vector scope for hue balance because seeing numerics prevents guesswork. Apply autocorrect only as a neutral baseline. Once done, toggle the original duplicate track to compare. Next, set white and black points roughly with the exposure slider to bring midtones into range. Make small moves, because big jumps break skin tones and make later grading harder. You now perform primary corrections. Tackle exposure and contrast first to anchor the image, then refine highlights and shadows to keep details. Once the tonal shape is stable, correct white balance with temperature and tint. Measure neutral grays on the scope and nudge until skin tones sit naturally. Then move to three-way color wheels. Adjust lift for shadows, gamma for midtones, and gain for highlights. Subtle, opposite adjustments preserve contrast while fixing color casts. Make iterative passes, check scopes and the reference. You finish by choosing a creative look. Apply a LUT or tweak curves for contrast and color shaping, but reduce strength to blend with your base correction. Once satisfied, add modest sharpening, optional vignette or film grain to unify frames, and export using the highest color profile Filmora offers. If something goes wrong, colors clip, skin looks wrong, open scopes, reset the specific control that caused the shift. Then reapply adjustments in smaller increments. That troubleshooting step saves time and preserves detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.